Hello viewers, in this video I am going to review on Rajkumar Rao starrer Omerta, also known as Omar Shahid Sheikh, which was premiered on July 27, 2020 on ZEE5. A riveting if not nail-biting character-driven thriller, Hansal Mehta's Omerta does not bank upon the established device of the genre. It employs a judicious subtle blend of real-life events and dashes of dramatic license to probe the radicalization of a young Pakistani origin British national. The story of Ahmad Omar Shahid Sheikh reveals on the abduction of Western tourists in India in late 1994, his arrest and imprisonment in Delhi, his release in exchange for the IC-814 hostages in 1999, the kidnap and killing of American Jewish journalist Daniel Pearl in 2002, and his trial and conviction in Pakistan, where he is still in prison awaiting judicial review, is in the public domain. So the Omerta plot does not deliver big surprises. It presents in a detached deadpan docudrama style the circumstances in which the dreaded terrorist executed his plan. Driven by hate, prejudice and a sense of victimhood, Omar is on a mission to avenge the wrongs done to his brothers and sisters in Bosnia, Palestine and Kashmir. Lead actor Rajkumar Rao, in his fourth collaboration with Matt, gives the film its teeth with a pitch-perfect performance. He slips into the skin of Omar with a chilling conviction. The well-crafted, fast-paced Omerta, much like Mehta's Shahid and Aligarh, focuses on a man who stands apart from the crowd. It, however, ventured into a terrain that is far removed. The London School of Economics dropout who makes peace with the demons of his mind and harness them to wreak havoc on the world obviously does not evoke any sympathy. The portrait of pure evil is drawn largely from news reportage. The film itself plays out like a journalist's account of life lived in darkness. At crucial point, the screenplay takes records of fictive freewheeling interpolation and TV news footage to bolster the narrative. Omar is cold, clinical, calculating. His acts committed without the slightest trace of remorse-induced instant revelation. Shahid sparked in the audience outrage at the fate that befell its human rights lawyer protagonist who caught up cartels on behalf of innocents implicated in terrorism cases. Aligarh similarly elicited deep sympathy for a sensitive university professor victim by a conservative, insensitive establishment for his sexual orientation. Mehta delved deep into the minds of both men. In contrast, in Omerta, the title in Italian word denoting the code of silence that mobsters are shown to, he can only offer glimpses of the outer world of Omar. Omerta gives us only snatches of information aimed at piecing together the reasons why Omar is the way he is, especially when it intercuts back and forth in a scene of a Delhi jail where the man is lodged and sequences in terrorist training camps in Afghanistan and Pakistan. In jail, Omar forces a Muslim accomplice to observe Roza during the month of fasting. In a camp in Pakistan, a militant ridicules him for being a London boy, not hardy enough for a dangerous mission ahead. Omar turns upon the man and wrestles him to the ground. When he is nabbed in Delhi and produced in court, Omar asks his lawyer, Majid, "Are you happy in India?" The latter replies, "Very happy." Not that assassin make any end in Omar's worldview. It isn't Omar's innermost thoughts that Omerta probes in as much as it presents a description of the senseless violence that he unleashes, both in person and through his accomplices. Mehta leaves out the minutiae of Omar's life and plunges right into the global terrorist personnel. How a middle-class boy living in comfort in London straight into the dark, dangerous world of terrorism is left largely unexplained. Running a little over an hour and a half, the film hits the ground running and dives straight into Omar's covert arrival in Delhi, where he uses his wiles to lure three young British men and an older American woman in captivity. His mission is busted by the police. He ends up behind the bars. Omar is one of three terrorists freed in exchange for the hostages on Indian Airlines flight IC-814 hijacked from Kathmandu to Kandahar. His depredation continues with his involvement suggested in the 9/11 terror attack. In recounting a widely documented tale, the screenplay hits the right thriller buttons. When the violence is perpetrated indiscriminately and without any moral context created with the aid of detailed backstory, can only be deeply disconcerting. Omerta is just that, and therein lies its success. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.